Okay, let's get started. Hello, I'm your host, Isaac Maier, and today we're going to be talking about custom reporting metrics. So let's dig right in. I'm going to share my screen so you can check out this presentation. Alrighty. So welcome back to another Everflow webinar. Today we're going to help make your reporting work for you with custom reporting metrics. And as always, we're going to do a brief introduction into what we're going to be talking about. So today you're going to meet myself, the expert. We're going to talk about what custom reporting metrics are, how to create and view a custom reporting metric, how to add your custom reporting metrics to an existing report and save those reports, some use cases for why people might use custom reporting metrics, and finally, we'll finish off with some upcoming webinars where you can get more tips about how to get the most out of your Everflow account. So first off, let's do a brief introduction into myself. So hello once again, my name's Isaac Maier. I'm a customer success manager with Everflow, and I've been in affiliate marketing for 6 years now. And I'm based out of San Francisco, California. So nice to meet you if you haven't met yet. So let's talk about custom reporting metrics. So we want to create metrics that make sense to you, that work for your use case. So as you know, Everflow offers preset metrics to help you understand your performance and optimize based around those metrics. But we believe in giving you the power to determine what matters to you most and help you design the metrics that ultimately show what success is for you. So we're going to show you how to do that today. So let's dig into the actual presentation of this feature. Like I said, we're going to show you how to create custom reporting metrics, how to view custom reporting metrics, and how to add them to your saved report. So let's dig it right in to the Everflow dashboard. Okay, so we're at the Everflow dashboard. We're just going to go right back to the dashboard that you would land on when you first log into your account. And now we're going to check out your custom reporting metrics. They can be found under reporting and custom reporting metrics. So now that we're at our custom reporting metrics, we've made it very easy to get started. We're just going to go to add a custom metric. And from here, we can enter a name. So in this case, we're going to call it webinar metric. And we can select a format. We have the format options integer, money, and percentage, depending on what works best for your new custom metric. Here we can enter a formula. So from our formula menu, we have a bunch of different metrics that you can use. All of these Everflow metrics. When you're entering them, you can either add them by clicking that button directly, or you can enter them by searching as you type. So we've made it nice and easy for you. Please do note that when you're creating this formula, we're going back to middle school and we're using PEMDAS. So the order of operations is applied. So we look at what's in the parentheses first, then exponents, multiplication, division, addition, subtraction, just this standard principle from your 7th grade math class. So please do also note that there is a limit of 100 custom metrics per account. And you know what? Let's build one of those custom metrics right now. So we can have our parentheses. We'll enter, how about events? We'll do divided by unique clicks. And we'll do that multiplied by 100. So now we've added that. We have our webinar metric right there. Okay, so that's fantastic. We've created that webinar metric. Now we actually want to use it. So in this case, we're going to go to our reporting. In this case, we'll go to our offer report, and this custom reporting metric can be used for many different reports. I'll list them in just a bit. But if we want to view this, please note it's not going to show automatically as a column. You're going to have to add it. Luckily, it's super easy. You just go to these 3 little dots here, that vertical ellipses, column customization, and you can search for it here. Now it's right there, but we'll search just because why not? And we just toggle that on right there. Now that we've done this, our webinar metric will be right here. So this is great because you can see it on a report like offer report. You can see it for the parent value right here for this offers, but also if we click this little arrow, we can see it for all of the child options as well. So like I said, I'm going to give you that brief little list of everywhere that you can use this customer reporting metric, all those different reports. You can use that on your offer, partner, advertiser, SmartLink, daily and hourly reports, Fimmer analytics. You can use it in the flex, dynamic nested, and redirect. So let's talk about some use cases, and I'm going to jump back to our presentation here. So for common use case number one, let's say you want to see the total payout. It should be noted that Everflow has made some big updates to our media buying cost, such as TikTok and Meta. So knowing how much your media buying efforts cost is even more crucial now than ever. So if we want to see the true total payout here, we can use our custom reporting metrics to combine payout and media buying costs to reveal our true payout. So you can see, as you can see here, we have our payout and media buying cost there to show the total cost that we're using on both our affiliate spend and our media buying. Looking at use case number two, let's say we want to understand our invalid clicks percentage. So this is crucial in optimizing your campaign performance. In this case, we can set this up as a percentage and easily enter invalid clicks over gross clicks to see what percentage of our clicks are invalid. For use case number three, let's say we want to calculate our commissions for a partner advertiser manager. In the past, this might have been a more manual process, but by using your custom reporting metrics, you can make it nice and easy so that it's viewable in the Everflow dashboard. In this case, you just want to take that payout, multiply it by that commission rate, in this case 0.1, so there's the 10% commission. And it's as easy as that. We can set it to format as money. As you can see that right there, payout times 0.1. Use case number four. Let's say we want to see your true profit or your true margin from all of your marketing efforts on Everflow. By default, your profit and margin metrics only consider revenue and payout. That's excluding the media buying cost. But like I said, with those new updates to your media buying cost, we're going to want to have those included. So in this case, we can find our true margin in the money format by doing revenue minus payout plus media buying cost. This way we see exactly how much money we're making from all of our marketing efforts across Everflow. So we've talked about custom reporting metrics today, how you can utilize them. Oh, you know what? Oops. I'm going to escape for one moment. I'm actually going to show you how to save them in a report real quick before we jump into the webinar. Okay, so let's say we have our report right here with the webinar metric. We are simply just going to click save, and you can save this report with a name. We'll just call it webinar report for now. And whenever we want to look at this same report again, we can just click save. And then we can easily just load that report again as well. Just wanted to show you that real quick before we jumped into the future webinars. Okay, looking at our future webinars, we do have Everflow for presenting in-house success. That's August 14th at 11 a.m. PST. You can join us. We're going to show you how to use Everflow to present the success of your marketing efforts. This is great if you're a partner and you want to show how well you're doing. This is also fantastic if you're trying to show a brand, or if you're trying to show a brand how well you're succeeding for them, or if you're an agency trying to show a brand the value that you're bringing in. We're going to show you how to break up all of your individual marketing efforts each individual campaign or even landing page and show exactly how well it's doing and how it's bringing money. This will allow you to make sure that you're only putting your effort into the things that are actually working. You can expand the things that are working, and you can cut out the efforts that might be a lot of effort but aren't producing any results. The week after, we're going to be talking about the trifecta of media buying. That's Google, TikTok, and Meta. That's going to be August 21st at 11 a.m. PST. We're going to dig more into media buying and help you find some value there. So this concludes this webinar today, but please remember for your customer reporting metrics, you can find them by going to reporting, customer reporting metrics, taking the steps that I showed you today. Hopefully we've made it easier for you. This should add a lot of value for you. But if you do have any other questions, or if there's anything that you'd like to talk about further regarding customer reporting metrics, you can reach out to support@everflow.io or via the chat with the customer success manager if you do have any questions. If you do have any further ideas to improve Everflow, we're always making improvements. We take feature requests very seriously. You can send us an email at support@everflow.io or connect with the customer success manager via the chat for feedback or suggestions. So this concludes today's webinar. Thanks for joining us, and I'll stick around for just another moment if anyone